Hello guys, hope you are doing good. You had a lovely weekend. So we're back on the DXY, we're back to the Forex chat, we're back to taking losses, we're back to Forex trading. Alright, so quickly on the DXY, I still have a bearish narrative on the DXY. Alright, this is my low hanging fruit. I'm looking for a price to get to this small fair value gap there. Alright, and on the daily, keeping my chart as neat as it can be. Let me take this off. I'll put it back there later on. So this was our inversion fair value gap. It is already used up. There's this fair value gap right here. It is already used up. Now, what I'm currently going to use is this this wick here. This right here is an inefficiency. Okay, the price sees these long wicks as inefficiencies. And also, if price should reverse back, I'm looking for this daily volume imbalance to price should react on there. Right, so I'm bearish on DXY up onto this level. Let me just mark the open. This is the new week's candle. So we have is it 443 pips or what? I don't know. But all I know is that there is my range. Yeah, this is the range I'm trading within. Once price takes out this low, I'm done. I'm done for the week. Alright, so and if it should close below this daily wick midpoint right here, okay, I'll be very much assured that this low will be taken out. But until then, I'll be very nimble because we are in a NFP week, so we should just be careful. And on the hourly, here's what I'm looking at. I'll take all of these off. This right here is still an inefficiency. This right here, you see, there's a basic. You have a bullish candle piercing into it, so it is still valid. All right, and the one I took above also is still valid, but I don't think we'll be going up. So this is what I want to see price getting into this hourly fair value gap or the other block main threshold in any manner. Yeah. Where do I do? Yeah, price getting into it, either this or that. Okay, within this region and then reverse backward. That's what I'm looking for. And also on GBP USD, sorry. Come back to the weekly. This is what we have right here. This is what we have right here. The weekly. I'm bullish. Looking for this is a low hanging fruit. The swing high right here. The swing high. This is my low hanging fruit. Let me change that to red. See if I have the high. 49. Okay. This is my draw. And on a daily. Oopsie. It's a mess. Let me take this off. This right here is another daily PD array. This week is a daily PD array. So I'll focus on the low, the midpoint, and then the high. And also, this is our other block right here. This is our other block right here. This one here is the order block. The inversion fair value gap, I'm done using it. This is the order block right here. And this breaker block also, once price closes above it, then I'll bring it into action. But for now, this order block, mean threshold, you see price pierced into it. And now it's rallying back higher. Alright. So if price did close above the mean threshold of the wick right there. Close above it. Closed above it right there. So I'm looking forward to see price, to continue gravitating towards this high. And then if possible, maybe we touch the low. But once price takes out this high, I'll be done for the week. I'll be done for the week. Let me see this. 58 pips. Yeah, if I can catch about 20 pips in that, I'm good to go for the week. Right? And the hourly 60 minutes. So in the 60 minutes, I don't think this low will be taken out. I don't expect this low to be taken out. Alright, so I'll go much further to the lower time frame, 15 minutes, and see this fair value gap right here. I don't know what happened. I don't know what caused this. See this fair value gap right here. So I've labeled it 1560. So I'm using a 15 minutes time frame and a 60 minutes time frame to, turn price to reach into this level, then gravitate higher. And if possible, doesn't want to go any much into the fair value gap, could use this order block right here. Let me take this off. Use this order block right here. I'm not going to focus on the high because it is smaller than the body of the candle. So the open right there, I really like to do this annotations myself. So they do keep me on my toes. High. Let me see that. Open 25, yeah, I have that. And also the mean threshold. See the high 70. Hello. Okay, so I'm using all of these consecutive candles because this is where the fair value gap began here. There was a fair value gap here, so I will incorporate all of these candles. Alright, let me use this and copy there. 85. And TH mean threshold there. The price could come into this region right here. Price could come into this region right here. And then really high. Simple as that. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. On the EURUSD also, we have a similar scenario, a similar case. This is my low hanging fruit. On a weekly, I'm bullish, and so on a daily, it's almost the same. It's almost the same. So on a daily, I'm looking forward to see price reach towards this level. Okay, if possible, we'll gravitate to the mean threshold, to the consequent encroachment of the inversion fair value gap right here. The low has already been met, so it might take out this high and then get to the inversion fair value gap midpoint. Okay, but along the line, I would have to mark out the 0.25 and 0.75 levels. Okay, these levels would also be important, but not as significant as the midpoint, the low, and the high, right? And so, let me just make that only visible in the not now. Let me take this off. Not now. So, the reason why I have Let me show you. The reason why I have this fib on here, okay, the previous daily low, that was how I was able to, I'll show you real quick. So on the daily, I'm looking at this wick right here, the midpoint, the high. Price will gravitate towards those levels, and then we'll be down for the week. 48 pips, 49, almost 50 pips. Not bad. I'm hoping I'll be able to catch at least 20 pips. It's good for me. I'm good to go. Then we're done for the week. Alright. So we can see that price got into this other block right here. Okay. I was done using the breaker block and the inversion fair value gap right here. I was done using inversion. No, not this one. This one rather. I was done using that. Take note of this. If ever price should drop, this will be the PD area I'll be looking at. But I don't see price dropping this week right here. I don't see price dropping down. So using this other block right here, the open, the high, see that, have the high in place. Now so you can see the, no, let me put that. I have to incorporate both candles because it is in both that the fair value capitalizing there. Okay, the price has gotten into that, then it's rallying higher, and you can see that it will not get into the fair value gap, which insinuates that it's in a hurry to go somewhere. So let's just take note of that. Let me see if I can see that same on GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, we don't see any fair value gap. You can see that this is a fair value gap. We just pierced through it and then massacred everyone down there. So there. Alright. And so, yep, price gravitating towards this level immediately right here. It crosses this level right here. Right there. Let's wait and see what happens. We see on the hourly. The reason why I have this fib here, it helps me to determine where price will possibly bounce off from on the hourly. Okay, so it is what we have here within the range. I don't expect price to go past below the 50%, the midpoint of the range. Okay, and if it should go past it, what will stop price? Either this fair value gap or this other block break or this other blocks high, the mean threshold. Okay, and if I should get to the mean threshold and should close below the other block, I mean below the fair value gap, I would wait to see to get more information. Alright, so that's that. Simple as it is. Alright, so peace.